Hi, welcome back to another video. This is my micro stove setup, which is portable and it has enough fuel for cooking close to 2 hours, 3 hours, and this tank is refillable. So I've kept it in this small microfiber cloth pouch. Has to keep it compact. Right, so let's get into it. So there's mainly three things in this. There's a gas tank. This is a 230 ml tank, and there's the small compact stove that goes over the tank. So to keep the container clean, I've kept Tupperware thing with instant coffee and this paper cups. Right, so these are all the things. That's part of my micro stove kit, a micro cooking kit. So this is mainly to make coffee or any other small beverage and drink outdoors, and usually I have this in my backpack, readily accessible, so that I can make coffee on the go when I'm driving. So it takes me about 2 to 3 minutes to get this set up and another 2 minutes to make it. Right, so let's start setting it up. So this is a compact stove that has a built-in ignition, so you won't need to ignite it with any other thing. And usually this cap, always keep it in this and close it up so I don't lose it. This just screws on. So these tanks can be refilled. I have another tool which can help you refill these tanks from a regular tank, because these tanks a little bit more expensive. So once you screw this in, this is the knob to increase or decrease the gas. So this knob tightens up and then it clicks into this small tiny part so that everything stays firm and compact. So to open it up, just remove it and then slide all these around the thing. This will give you a stable base, and these have a small tiny mechanism to extend the base. Right. So once that's done, you can just open up the valve with this thing, and then with this you can ignite it. Right. So you can see the flame. So I'm going to turn it off because I'm indoors, and they advise you not to use this indoors because the flame, it's all propane, isobutane and N-butane, the composition. Use it in outdoors or a well ventilated area just to be safe. Alright, so this is a container I picked up from Decathlon. You can see the branding here, and it's quite handy. So, and to make sure you don't get such burn marks on this, always turn it on when there's water or something else inside it, or else the metal burn or it'll leave a mark on the metal. And I like this because it has readings 100, 200, 300, up to 400 ml. You can see it from the inside and the outside. there you go. This is my compact stove. So to put it all away, you just get this all back, lock it in, start unscrewing it, and this goes into this box. It's a very good fit, doesn't take up more room than it needs to. And this is my instant coffee. It's been a while since I've had this. It's hardened up a little, but the flavor is amazing. It's instant coffee. And yeah, these two go inside this, and this goes into this, and then I wrap it up with this cloth. That's it. So this was my compact stove. I need to get a better case, but until then I think this will do. Just hold it together in one piece. I mean, there are like small holes and stuff on this, but it's fine, I guess. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.